welcome to Sunset Acres Farm. If you're new here, I'm Emily, and today we are going to be showing you farm chores. You guys, do you want food and water? Actually, guys, do you have food? Not. I usually fill this up, like the brim over here, every day, and it looks like they eat a good amount. I mean, you got 10 babies and a mama. That's a lot of feed. I mean, they go through a lot of water too. These are so cute. What are you doing? Hey. Hey. Don't think I'm going to be able to use the quad today because it was rain/snow last night, so it's kind of wet out there. But I usually do use my quad. Okay, wait, it's actually I use my brother's quad. Sweet potatoes, apples, pork chop. We're feeding pork. I guess, not really. We'll eat it. Give pigs any milk that they have. Put it all in my bucket so much. Hey, so let me through. This happens. Oh, it looks like Mom lost some hay, Willow. Hungry? Yikes. Ducks always make their water. Really? I think if you put apple cider vinegar in your animal's water, it doesn't freeze as fast. Okay, so that is the end of today's video on my chores, what I do. With the pigs added, it really isn't so far that much work. Mom does milk the cow. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like, and blessings from Sunset Acres Farm.